So, it's interesting. One big thing is secure access, right? So, and that applies to any government organization, any private industry. Secure access. There's currently over 8 billion IoT devices connected to the internet today. IoT Analytics is saying that number will rise to 22 to 23 billion by the year 2025. Those, in many cases, as Bob pointed out, are headless devices. They're sensors, they're cameras, they're devices that have no means of configuration on the device itself. The best you can do is push a certificate to the device. You've got to be able to securely onboard those onto your network. You've got to be able to secure their access to the network, but you've also got to be able to provide the backbone that provides the throughput and the necessary capacity for those devices, whether they be HD cameras, radiation sensors, personnel monitors. We've got a massive border, in the Southwest that we've got to manage and maintain. Bob's team's full of officers that are doing that. In some cases, there's sensors that are replicating and taking the place of some of those officers because we just don't have enough bodies to cover the space. And so in order to bring those devices onto a network in a secure means, you've got to be able to provide a means to onboard them in a quick manner so that they can be installed when needed, and in some cases on the fly. You've got to be able to provide the backbone. 5G is a great technology for that. 5G is going to provide the bandwidth, capacity, and security that we're looking for in situations like this. One thing that we're noticing with 5G is the footprint shrinks a bit, right? You're not getting the same coverage that you get with 4G. So how do you offset some of that? Wi-Fi 6 is a possible alternative. I mentioned CBRS earlier, private LTE networks, non-licensed spectrum that's available and in use today.